This bathrobe is the comfiest thing I have ever felt. What do you think, Scoob? Wow, this is nice. I can feel the years of fear and anxiety floating away already. Look, Scooby-Doo, our masseuses are here. It's time to loosen up the old muscles.
Oh, Fabo.
I know, not much to look at. You really have your work cut out for you, huh? Wow, your hands are really cold, dude.
Oh, freezing.
Scooby, I know that the gang is having a hard time not jumping in shadows and solving mysteries, but I think it's for the best. Maybe they should get a massage, too. Ow! A little softer, would ya? I have really sensitive skin due to overnutrition.
Not me. Again.
Ow! Just a little lighter, please. I'm extremely fragile. Zombies!
Zombies?